see in the title, we're going to be doing a big wig unboxing. I got all these wigs from Sam's Beauty. They had like a ginormous sale and just racked up a little bit, you know what I'm saying? So we're just gonna jump right in. Trying to record this. So this box is already unboxed, but we're going to triple unbox it now. So let's just get into this. I'm gonna grab the first one that I see and we're just gonna keep going. So this is Juno, girl. This reminds me of my graduation wig, just shorter, right? Because my graduation wig was a middle part. So this is Juno, girl. This is not a review of the wigs, it's just like a quick unboxing and seeing them. So what I'm gonna do a part 2. So whatever wigs y'all want to see, you have to do the job of just in the comment box down below, just writing which one you want to see a full review on, and I'll do a full review for like wearing it after a week, you know, unboxing it, the part, the lace, all that good stuff. So this is Juno. Feeling Juno? All right.
Baby, don't make me spell it out for you. All of the feelings that I've got for you. Can't explain, but I can try for you. Yeah, baby, don't make me spell it out for you. You keep on asking me the same questions. I'm second guessing all my intentions. Should know by the way I use my compression that you got the answers to my confessions. It's like I'm powerful with a little bit of tender and emotional sexual bender. Mess me up, yeah, but no one does it better. There's nothing better. That's just the way you make me feel.
had to go handy-mandy because I was in a new spot. As you saw, I was recording today, and it's like an open area. My mom was like going OD because, you know, it is about like 1 o'clock in the morning, and she's like, what are you talking about? And I'm like, bro, you kind of messing up the video. But anyway, yeah, Sam's Beauty, guys. I got all those wigs for about like $3.40, I believe. So like, you get 3 or 4 bundles for that price when you could get 12 different hairstyles for that price. Not saying don't get your bundles now, sis, because bundles are much needed. You know what I'm saying? Like, have a good long bundle, have a good short pair of bundles. But at the same time, you can get 12 different wigs for the same price. But thing is, they had the sale, so you gotta keep your eyes open. So like I didn't see this, but if you want to know about each wig, like personally, like a review basically, comment down below which one you want to see a review on, and I'll make sure that I do full reviews on those particular ones. Like all of them are mostly like bomb. Like I really like that asymmetrical cut one because that was so full on the side. The one with the baby hairs was really nice, but it was like so boomless. Why is my bonnet on like this? Like I look like Pillsbury girl. But yeah, that part, the swoop was a little boom. I would have to like lay that down, but they're so pretty. And I don't even really like bangs, but that bang was kind of giving me a little bit light there. But y'all know what to do. If you want to see something in particular, just comment down below and I'll get that out to you guys. Make sure you comment, you subscribe, you like, and you share this. Make sure to hit that bell, and make sure to follow me on my social media so you can know what's going on and stuff like that. Because before I posted this, I asked you guys, did you want to see like a big lookbook on the wigs that I ordered, and this is why this video happened. And I think that's it, y'all. So make sure y'all please comment down below what wigs you want to see, and I definitely will get those out individually to you guys so you can know if you want to buy it or not. And these wigs are like so inexpensive, and they're like easy. Like if you're having a bad hair day, like for example today with my shortcut, it was looking peasy and nasty. You could grab one of those, throw it on real quick, and look, you're out the door. So a nice low cheap wig is always needed in your wardrobe. So I'm done, I'm out. Make sure to always be your own pretty, and I'll see you next week, guys. Love you.
Strawberry lingerie, wait for you, strawberries lingerie. You told me you want away, messed around, put it down on